Hello and welcome. There's a very simple way to solve this equation for real values of x. Let us start with two substitutions. Now first, let x plus 3 be equal to the letter a. Now you know that if we subtract 3 from both sides of this equation, then we have that x is equal to a minus 3. Secondly, let 2x plus 2 be equal to the letter b. Once more, if we subtract 2 from both sides of this equation, then we have that 2x is equal to b minus 2. And if we divide both sides of this equation by 2, then we have that x is equal to b minus 2 divided by 2. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to subtract this first equation from the second equation. When we do that, on the left-hand side, we have 2x minus x, which is equal to x, and 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. And of course, this is going to be equal to b minus a. Now, we can also get an expression for x from here in terms of a and b. All we need to do is to add 1 to both sides of this equation. When we do that, we have that x is equal to b minus a plus 1. Now let us rewrite the original equation. Here we have 1 plus, remember x plus 3 is now equal to a, divided by 1 plus the square root of 1 minus x. But in terms of a, x is equal to a minus 3. Now this is equal to x. But instead of writing x, let us replace x with b minus a plus 1. So here we have b minus a plus 1. Then we have plus the square root of, remember 2x plus 2 is now going to be replaced with b, divided by 1 plus the square root of 2 minus 2 times, instead of x, we now have b minus 2 over 2. So here we have b minus 2 divided by 2. Now let us look at this equation. First of all, notice that we have 1 on both sides of the equation. So we can subtract 1 from both sides of this equation. When we do that, then this will cancel that. Next, let us move this over to the left-hand side. When we do that, then minus a becomes a. So here we have a plus, now we have the square root of a divided by 1 plus the square root of 1 minus a. Minus minus is plus 3. Now this is equal to, on the right hand side, we are left with b and plus the square root of b divided by, now we have 1 plus the square root of 2 minus, of course you know that this 2 is going to cancel that, leaving us with minus b and minus minus 2, which is plus 2. Now from here we have a plus root a over 1 plus root 1 plus 3 is 4. So under the square root we have 4 minus a, and this is equal to b plus root b over 1 plus root 2 plus 2 is 4. So under this square root we have 4 minus b. Now let us compare both sides of this equation. Notice that these two functions look exactly alike. And also notice that these two functions are both strictly increasing within their domain. So that means that we can safely conclude that a is equal to b. So we have that A is equal to B. And of course, now remember that A is x plus 3 and B is 2x plus 2. Collecting like terms, we have 3 minus 2, and this is equal to 2x minus x. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2x minus x is x. So we have that the only real value of x that satisfies this radical equation is x equal to 1. Now let us substitute 1 for x into the original equation. On the left hand side, we have 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 1 minus 1 is 0. And of course, you know that the square root of 0 is 0. Now, is this equal to 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So this is the square root of 4 divided by 1 plus 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. The square root of 0 is 0. Here we have 1 plus, the square root of 4 is 2 divided by 1, 2. 1 plus, the square root of 4 is 2 divided by 1, 2. And of course, 3 is equal to 3. So when x is equal to 1, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.